So I welcome you to this video tutorial on research statistics using SPSS. This video is for calculating two-way ANOVA, the factorial ANOVA. We will use the simplest factorial ANOVA, the 2 by 2, where there will be two independent variables having two levels each, and there will be one dependent variable. So in our case, the teaching competency will be the dependent variable, while we will take gender and locale of institution as the independent variable. They have two levels each. Gender is having male and female, while the locale is having rural and urban. One more thing, when we are doing the factorial ANOVA, we can find the main and interaction effect also. The main effect will be produced by the independent variables gender and locale, and the interaction effect will be produced by both the gender and locale put together. When they are put together, both these variables, how they will interact the teaching competency, that will be the interaction effect. So two-way ANOVA, factorial ANOVA is also used to find the main and interaction effect among the variables. Now let us directly go to the SPSS page, SPSS data sheet. This is the data which is the same. To calculate, we can have the data view, variable view. This is the data view. When you click on variables, you can see this is the gender category, gender. This is the locale, rural and urban. This is female and males. So now to calculate two-way ANOVA 2 by 2 factorial, I will click on analyze, then I will click on general linear model, then I will click on univariate. Friends, let me repeat. I will click analyze, then general linear model, then univariate. So let me, something is there, let me remove that first. So friends, this is how you will see when you are clicking on that univariate model. So you can see there is the independent variable column, there is fixed factor, random, covariate, etc. Some of these columns are used when we calculate the other ANOVA types like MANOVA, MANCOVA, ANCOVA and all. So now we are doing the 2 by 2 factorial ANOVA, 2 by 2 ANOVA. So our dependent variable will be the final teaching competency score, which will be taken to the dependent variable. Then we need the independent variables. Gender is one independent variable which I will be taking to fixed factor. Then the institution, locality of institution, that also will be taken to the fixed factor. So now the variables are ready. I will click on model. Let me see if it is there. Full factorial, you have to make sure it is there. Continue. Then contrast, you don't have to do anything, cancel. Plots you can leave. Post hoc, if you want Shefi you can click, otherwise that also you can leave, cancel. Then let us go to the options. So this is the place where you have to choose the variables for getting the main and interaction effect. So you need overall effect, then gender main effect, locale main effect, then the gender and locale interaction effect. Then you can click on descriptive statistics. If you want, you can test the homogeneity, otherwise you can leave. Estimate size also, if you want, you can click that, otherwise you leave as it is. Then you can continue. Save, you don't have to do anything. Cancel bootstrap also you can leave. Paste, nothing to do. Now you can click on OK. Now the output is generated. Let us go to the output page. The output is still not generated. Let me go back to this page. Okay, let us see again the output. It is, yeah, now I have clicked. Okay, now let us see the output window. Yeah, this is the output window where you can see the univariate analysis of variance, 2 by 2 factorial analysis result. You can see this is the between groups subject factors. Gender is 50, everything is 50. Now it's okay. Now let us go to the ANOVA table, which you can see. So we don't have to take this table. If you want to see the mean standard deviation, you can use this, otherwise you can directly go to the ANOVA table, test of between subjects effects. So here you can see this is the result you have to see. First let me show you the main interaction effect of gender is, you have to see the f value and the significance value. The significance values is, say, significance values less than 0.05. so there is a significant effect of gender on teaching competency. Then the main effect of locale, you can see the value is 0.980, which is of course higher than 0.05. so there is no main effect of the variable locale on teaching competency. Now for interaction effect, you can see the gender and locale, how they are combinedly contributing to the teaching competency. Again it is showing greater than 0.05, so there is no interaction effect of both gender and locale on the teaching competency. So this is the only significant result. By that I mean only the gender, there is a main effect of gender on the teaching competency, but locale and both gender and locale in a combined way doesn't contribute to the teaching competency. Now you can see the rest of the results, which is not that were required for us. So you may take this table you can take, then maybe the other one also you can use. The mean, where is that? Yes, this also if you want you can use. So friends, this is how we calculate the 2 by 2 factorial ANOVA. Let me again repeat. To calculate 2 by 2 ANOVA, you have to click on first analyze, then you have to go to general linear model, then click on univariate. So friends, this is how it is done. Thank you for watching.